My name is Petunia Tobata, mother of two boys. The reason I started this is so that I can keep fit, so that I'm able to keep up with my boys. They're quite hectic. So far I've come across some challenges. The days are not the same. Sometimes I feel flexible to gym, and other days are quite tough. But yeah, I think I need this, and I would also like to advise other mothers out there to actually join in. It's quite beneficial, especially for your body, so that you're not tired, so that you're able to juggle work and kids and household chores. I see.
Petunia, she zooms out sometimes. She starts thinking somewhere else. She just zooms out. That's the problem. The good part about Petunia, she's very loyal and consistent, which is very good.
I'm out of breath. I feel like I'm dying. I'm about to die. Everything just hurts. My chest is burning. I cannot breathe. Yeah, I would definitely like to continue with the program. Although it's quite tough, I must say it needs time. So you need to plan your lifestyle, include it in your lifestyle, in your day-to-day lifestyle.